Hello, and thanks for stopping in, guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the star bracket. I've had a ton of requests on how to use this bracket, and today I am going to show you. So whenever you get your bracket in, it's going to come with this laser paper on, and you're just going to want to peel that off. I put it on there. I leave it on there because this stuff is like, it's just clear acrylic, and it shows fingerprints really easy. So I don't want to send it to you guys with fingerprints all over them. So I just leave the laser paper on there. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop right into this. So when you get your bracket, you're going to be wanting a star, right? So most of your stars are going to come with this adapter here. Anyone you buy at Walmart or Target or any of the big box stores, and most of them online, is going to come with this adapter. And if it does, it is 100% going to fit this bracket, okay? I built this bracket designed around this adapter. So what you're gonna do is insert it through this hole here, give it a nice good squeeze, and if you really want to, you can put the glue on there, or whatever you wanna do. You can cut this off down here, whatever you wanna do, that's all, totally up to you. But once your adapter's into the bracket, like so, you're then just gonna get your star, and voila. I mean, that's it right there. So once you got your star attached, you can also put some glue on it and just make this one permanent piece. Again, that's totally up to you. I don't use any glue for this star. I live in Oklahoma and I haven't had any problems with it yet. So there's that. And then this big hole here is for the giant stars. You can buy them anywhere as well. And this adapter is gonna go in there just like that. Now this one does require glue, 100%. You want to glue this one, okay? I'll put a little bead of glue around here and a little bead of glue around the top, and it's ready. You'll just glue your star onto it if you want, and this will just be one permanent bracket like so. You can use it year after year after year. So I hope you guys learned how to use the star bracket today. If you have any more questions, you can comment below, and I will do my best to answer them in a timely fashion. But I want to thank you guys for jumping on the website and making a purchase. You guys have no idea how much it means to us. We're a family-run business, and we just started this project last year out of our home. So thank you guys so much for your purchase and your support. Have a happy holidays, a Merry Christmas, and God bless.